Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we are going to do our scratch off mania. But first we're going to go over our tiered freebies for the Black Friday / birthday sale. If you haven't seen them already, you haven't watched my previous videos, I do apologize. If you have, you can skip forward. But I just want to make sure everybody is aware of the sale, and everything on the shop is 30% off. And I do have some tiered freebies. Uh-oh, I'm missing one. Okay, oh, here we go. Okay, I found them. They were not in the spot where they were supposed to be. So this freebie here is for all orders. It is a little winter snowy themed roll and save. I really liked that because I'm from Florida and I live in South Georgia and it doesn't snow. So this next one is for 25 and up, and this is after all your discounts before shipping. This one saves 56 denominations 1 through 7. And I love sugar skulls. I think they're beautiful and I love what they represent. So that is why I chose this image. And then this one is our cute little birthday girl with her cupcakes. This one saves 65 denominations 1 through 7 as well. And this one is for $50 and up. And the next one is for 75 and up. This one is a save 30 plus, a scratch and roll and save. And for 100 plus, you will get a custom gingerbread initial, and it will either, and if you don't put anything in the notes, it will be, I would just go off of the first initial and your first name of whoever's placing the order or whoever is getting shipped to. And then our last one is a cute little mini game board. It will save us 70 plus, and because it has a couple roll and saves, and this one is for 125 plus. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. So let's go ahead and get our money out. And this one is gonna be exciting. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We have, let's see. Oh, sorry, I bumped the tripod. I'm still trying to figure out my life with this setup, okay? I have my tripod like right here and it's really in the way. So it's just it's a pain in the arse. It's a pain in the ass. Okay. Boop boop. Okay. Hopefully I didn't fuck with it too much. I have to bleep all that out. Edit all of that out because YouTube doesn't like cuss words. Okay. And I have my sheet here. This one is from Kimmy's Budgets on Etsy, Beijing Girl Budgets on YouTube. And this is just going to tell us how much we owe. So for this challenge here, this one is for our band fees. And this one is from Mischief Managed Budgets. And we owe it $21. I need to put you off to the side. And so far we have saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. Awesome. And we have 3 scratchers left. So we are going to finish these today. Because I need that. We need that monies. All right. So that is a 9. And a 7 for 16. Let's hope this one is maybe a little smaller. Oh, 13. Holy guacamoles, Batman. Wow. That is 29 flipping dollars. Holy como. Oh my God. I can't even speak. Okay. Well, we need it. It's for a band. Okay, it's for a band. I'm just gonna cry a little bit. Okay. On to the next, I suppose. This one is from Reynolds Budgets, and we owe her $15 from the last time. And we're gonna go, oh, I forgot. I need to get my dice tower out so it can tell me which ones to scratch off. All right, number 1. Let's see, I'm not sure where we left off. We'll just go here. And that is a 6, so let's go again. Of course. A 2, 1, 2. And a 4. All right, one more time, because that is 10. And 2, 1, 2. All right, 15. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Where's my button? All right. 15. And that one will save us $55. Awesome. And this one, I love this one. It's my favorite. Might be a little biased, but this one comes from my shop. It is Christmas Vacation themed. I love it. It's my favorite Christmas movie of all time. And we owe her $12. So that has saved us so far out of 75, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and $29. So we're about a third of the way there. So that is awesome. Let's go ahead. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we should be able to finish this one, not next week, but the week after. So we got 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 9. These are denominations 1 through 7. Let's see. We're at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 plus 3 is 12. Let's go one more time, because why not? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're at, okay. We're at 12. Plus 7 is 19. Right? We were at 12. I hope so. I guess we'll find out at the end if I calculated wrong. That's why I shouldn't scratch the whole scratcher off. And this one is from Budging with a Ginger. This one will save us $70 total, and we owe it $20. To get it started, let's go ahead and scratch a couple off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is free on her coffee shop. So it's a DIY scratcher. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to make it a scratcher, but I knew I was going to put it in this binder, so I wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we're at 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll go one more time. And a 1. Let's go up here. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold on. 18. Yeah, we'll stick with 18. Yes, stick with 18, Nicole. And I'll finish scratching this off camera. Because I feel like some of those might be some spicy numbers if there's only a couple left and we're only at like $40. All right, so our next one is also from my shop. These are denominations 1 through 7, and it will save us $75. And we owe it a 17 from last week. And let's go and see what we have saved in total. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, and 32. Awesome. So let's go ahead and roll a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's a 7. 1, 2. Hopefully you can see that. That's 5, so that's 12. And then a 1. Okay, well, we got $14, $19. We're gonna stop there. Yes, so yeah, that's we got them big numbers. And this one is also from my shop, and we owe it $22 from last week. And this one will save us, this one is a big saver, so it will save $120. And these are denominations 2 through 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that, my friends, is a 10. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. And a 15. Do we yeah, we're gonna go overtime because screw it, why not? 1, 2, 3. And a 2. My goodness. So that is $17. I still feel like we're gonna be owing this one a lot next week. But that is okay because it's all going to savings. So it is okay that I'm like spending that money because it's like, it's going into savings. So it's not like we're spending, I feel like I'm spending it, but we're not really spending it. This one is also from my shop and we owe it $18. 15, 16, 17, and 18. And yes, I did a lot of my own challenges. All right, 1 and 2. All right, we got a 4. This is the gentle parenting dropout. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 9. And then 1, 2. 13. Let's go ahead and stop there. Okay. All right. Did I write that down? Yes, okay. So, wait a minute. Wait a minute, I didn't write it down. Did I write down too many of my... Wait a minute, hold on. Oh, I see what I messed up. This isn't me. This is Kimmy's budgets. Or Basic Girl budgets. Yeah. Okay. I see the confusion. I was very confused on my paper for a second. I do apologize. Okay, and next is Kimmy's budgets on Etsy, Basic Girl budgets on YouTube, and we owe her $17. 15, 16, and 17. And oh, and in total we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, and $38. Let's go ahead and get a couple more scratched up. 1, 2, 3. All right, so that is a 4. And then 1, 2, 3. I think we had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, we're gonna try to do 4 scratchers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a 2. Awesome. And then 1, 2, and 3. All right, so that is 12, 15. Let's go one more. Screw it. So we have one less to do next week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And a 7. I regret that. I regret that decision. Okay. So that is 10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. But that is okay because we're going to get her finished. We're going to have a bunch of these finished up to start December strong. That's for darn sure. All right, and our last one here for today is from Boss Babe Budgets. And we owe her $25. And so far we have 20, 40, 50, 60. No. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Okay. So we're going to finish this one. It should be, let's see, 3. And that's a 5. So that's 8, 9, 10. Okay, and 10. So that's $20. I do believe this is more than 75. 50, 55, 60. Okay, let me pause. Yeah, okay, we calculated it's 80. No biggie, no biggie, no biggie. I like it. We save more because then that goes to my Etsy fund. All right, so that is done. So we're gonna need a new one for her, and then band is done. We're gonna need a new one for you. Okay, let's go ahead and calculate how much money we're gonna need to bring next week. That $30 for band is wild. Wow. Okay, we need 172. That is the absolute most that I've ever had to bring to this challenge. But we will get her done and we will figure it out. But I'm so excited. We will have to pull out next week. Now, part of me, since I've technically finished them in November, I kind of want to take them out, but at the same time, we have a lot of challenges that we have already finished and completed in November. Unless I absolutely need that money for band, I think I'm gonna keep it for to finish in December. Maybe. We'll see how I feel next week when because I still have to pay it out. So there is that as well. So I guess we can take that into consideration. Okay, and that is it. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.